I have goosebumps all today, honestly. Number one, it's one of the first times in a year and a half we've been able to perform in public, even with a small audience. It's been amazing. But also then to see certain students stop in front of a piece of art and really take it in and talk to each other about it. I heard one student say about how much she still doesn't know. That's kind of why we're here today, honestly, for In My Heart too.
This was more of a wow, because schools don't teach much about this, and I think they really should. It explains a lot about like Black African Americans and the civil rights protests and how everything was. The choir sang a song named Ain't Gonna Let Nobody Turn Me Around. It's saying that we're not going to let anybody turn us around and we're gonna fight for our freedom. Just like this wall explains.
I want all the kids to walk away with a history of America, that they can really see another side of history that we don't get in our classroom books.
To understand the potential of other people, then their eyes are closed. A lot of times they just get stuck on the color of their skin and they don't see past that.
So I was 5 years old. We were in Memphis, Tennessee. I was too young to read. I wasn't able to read, and we were shopping on Easter. And my whole family was walking. It was hot outside, and there was a sign on the water fountain that I couldn't read. And I wanted some water, and my brother was like, "You can't drink out of that fountain." I didn't understand. I wanted to drink out of that fountain, so I had a 5-year-old temper tantrum. And they literally had to drag me from the water fountain all the way to a park where they had a black water fountain, so I could get some water. And only later on did I realize that that it would not let me, I couldn't drink at that fountain. And I was 5 years old in Memphis, yeah. This collection has been all over the world, and for us to be in Tacoma and for us to be invited to perform here, for our students to be a part of this, I think as they do the tour, they understand a little bit more about the songs they're singing, because they can they can feel that passion, and the things that they're talking about is right here in front of them. So I think this is just an incredible opportunity for Truman Middle School, but for Tacoma Public Schools in general.